Guys, did you know that as of 2024, the SAP S4HANA market is valued at an impressive 26.2 billion US dollars and is projected to grow at an stunning 27.4% annually, reaching over $105 billion by the year 2031. And that's how fast businesses are adopting SAP solutions to stay competitive in this particular market. Hello and welcome everyone to this video on difference between SAP S4HANA on-premise and SAP S4HANA Public Cloud by ZaranTech. Okay, now just imagine this. You are running a bakery shop. Now here, if you choose the on-premise option, it's like owning your own kitchen. You have full control over the ingredients, recipes and equipments there. But you will also handle all the maintenance and upgrades there. On the other hand, the public cloud, it is like renting a fully equipped kitchen where everything is managed for you. It's faster and easier to set up, but comes with less flexibility there. However, there is a downside to it. While the on-premise offers more customization and control, public cloud is faster to implement and is more cost-effective also. In fact, a recent report also shows that businesses using public cloud saves up to 30% on their operational costs annually. Okay, now before we getting started with this particular video, make sure you subscribe to our ZaranTech YouTube channel and hit that bell icon to get regular updates from us. Starting with number 1 and one of the most important factors, customizations. So with SAP S4HANA on-premises, you have the complete control over how your system is set up. You can think of it like having a blank canvas where you can paint anything that you want. Businesses can add custom code, configure processes to match their unique workflows, and also integrate seamlessly with the existing systems or the third-party applications there. And this level of flexibility is ideal for companies with complex or highly specific requirements. Now, on the other hand, SAP S4HANA Public Cloud offers you more standardized approach. Customizations are limited here to ensure that systems remain streamlined and easy to maintain there. And while you can configure certain aspects to suit your needs, like setting up workflows or adjusting parameters, you cannot extensively modify core functions or add some custom codes there. And this makes the public cloud a great choice for businesses looking for simplicity and quick deployment without worrying about maintaining custom developments there. Now let's talk about factor number 2, infrastructure, the backbone of any ERP system. So here with SAP S4HANA on-premises, all the hardware and infrastructure are managed by your organization. This means that you are responsible for setting up servers, managing them and ensuring everything runs smoothly there. So while this gives you a full control over your environment, it also means higher responsibility for managing the downtime, upgrades and security measures there. In contrast, SAP S4HANA Public Cloud takes away the headache of managing this particular infrastructure. The cloud provider, SAP itself handles all the hardware related tasks like server maintenance, backups and scalability there. You only need to focus on managing the software and using it effectively for your business operations. And this makes the public cloud an attractive option for companies that want to reduce the IT overheadaches and focus more on their core businesses. Now finally, let's discuss costs, a critical factor in any decision-making process. So here, SAP S4HANA on-premises typically involves higher upfront costs because you need to purchase hardware, licenses and set up infrastructure from the scratch. And additionally, ongoing maintenance costs like server upgrades or hiring the IT staffs can add up over the time. Now here in contrast, SAP S4HANA Public Cloud follows a subscription-based pricing model with lower upfront costs. So you will pay a monthly or annual fees based on your uses, which makes it easier to predict expenses and scale as needed. However, while operation costs may seem lower initially, they can increase over the time depending on how much storage or computing power your business requires there. So now in conclusion, both SAP S/4HANA on-premise and public cloud have their own strengths and limitations. If your business values flexibility and control over customizations while being comfortably managing hardware infrastructure and longer update cycles, then the on-premise might be a right choice for you there. However, if you are looking for simplicity with faster innovation cycles and reduced IT overheads at some predictable cost, then the public cloud could be a better fit there. So ultimately, the choice depends on your business needs, whether you need prioritize customization or standardization, control or convenience, upfront investment or the operational scalability. Everything depends on what your company needs there. So that concludes this particular video. I hope by now you guys have a better understanding of differences between SAP S/4HANA on-premises and S/4HANA Public Cloud. If you still have any questions, then do mention them in comment section below and we'll do our best to respond them.